Can you believe you made it this far? I mean, at the beginning of this, you probably had no idea what any of this means, and now, look at you. You know what every single line means. And you know what? This is pretty much it for HTML. It's not very hard. You just have to remember a few tags, and it's very easy to test around and play. So, call yourself an HTML developer. I have a fun little game for you. As you can see over here, we've created a simple web page. I can link to another page. I can go back. I can even click on register and submit a form. I want you to try your hand at building your own little website here. And once you're done, I'll provide the link to my email in the description below. Send me your first website, and I'll showcase some of my favorite ones in an upcoming video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.